This felt illegal the first time I used it. I opened Claude, and it remembered what I said in Cursor. Then I switched tools, and everything just followed me. What the hell? It wasn't a glitch. It was OpenMemory, and it might change how AI remembers you forever. A few months ago, I kept a Notion page titled Prompts That Worked, just to copy-paste into different AI tools. Claude, Cursor, ChatGPT, you name it. That page kept growing, because AI couldn't remember me. Not across tools, not across tabs, not even across sessions. But OpenMemory changes that, and I've been testing it. OpenMemory MCP is a local-first memory system for AI. Built by the team at Mem0, it acts like a shared brain between your favorite tools, Claude, Cursor, Windsurf, and more. It doesn't just remember your prompts, it stores how you think, what tools you used, what worked, how long you spent, and all of it is stored locally, meaning you're in full control. No cloud uploads, no leaks, no weird surprise hallucinations from something you said last week. I tried it while switching between Claude and Cursor while building out this script. Claude remembered that I was working on a YouTube script. Cursor picked up on the structure I'd been using. I didn't retype anything. I didn't dig up screenshots. The tools knew me. Finally. It's like the first time an AI actually felt aware of me. This is where AI starts feeling less like a search engine and more like a creative partner. You don't realize how much time you waste repeating yourself until you stop repeating yourself. And when memory works across apps, your tools stop being tasks and start being teammates. OpenMemory is free, local, and quietly powerful. I think we'll look back and realize this was a turning point. And every week, I cover more tools just like this. The ones that don't just sound cool, they actually change how we work. Stay curious, stay creative.